Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is An Appetizing Life. And each week I bring you new videos, cooking and lifestyle to help you live your most appetizing life. This recipe for sauteed carrots with tarragon and shallots takes only 15 minutes to make. It's all sauteed for a really easy weeknight side dish. This side dish is super simple. You have carrots, you have shallot, and you have tarragon. So let's get started with it. I'm gonna prep the carrot. Peel all the carrots. And dice them. We're gonna blanch these for about 1 minute in boiling hot water with salt, just so they don't taste so raw. So I'm gonna add a lot of salt to this, and we'll bring it to a boil, and then we'll be ready to blanch the carrots. So while the water's boiling, I'm gonna slice the shallot and get that prepped. So I'm gonna thinly slice the shallot. And a little trick when it starts to get a little scary, turn it on the side and just finish that way. That way you can use it all up. And we're gonna take the tarragon, and I just wanna roughly chop it up. So let's get some of it off. Tarragon is great for fish, for seafood, for meats, and it goes really well with carrots. Give it a rough chop. The water's boiling. We're gonna get those carrots in there carefully. And we're gonna let those cook for just about a minute. Just wanna get that raw taste out of them. It's been about a minute, and move this closer. I have a big thing of water with ice in there, and we're going to shock these so they stop cooking. I love blanching things because you still get a little bit of crispness, say that correctly, and it retains its color. And I'm gonna transfer these back into the bowl. Try to get as much water off of them as possible. Now finishing this recipe is really fast, really quick. We're gonna take butter and we're gonna add a little oil. Get that going. We're gonna add in the shallot and try to break it up a little bit so they're not all clumped together. And you just wanna soften those a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my tarragon. Smells good. And I'm gonna add the carrots in. And since they're blanched, they're already pretty much cooked. So we're just gonna warm them up and get all of those good flavors mixed in with the shallot and the tarragon. Get some salt in there. A little pepper. The carrots are all done, and I'm going to put them in a bowl and plate them. And there you have it, sauteed carrots with tarragon and shallots. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video every Friday. And I'll see you next time. I'm looking for a fork. Going in. Make this one and let me know how you like it.
Star Wars it.